Hello. Nomads Cult Quick Shots Part 14. Small flower. Okay, it's really hard to do sometimes such a short video without mistakes. I tried again. Okay, I switched to the Nomad app. This is a clear scene and we need a primitive. We add a sphere, top view, and we reduce the subdivision for about 2 is okay. And we validate this sphere. The camera is orthographic and okay. We use the insert function, and here we can set a symmetry on and clone on, and let's pick only with a pencil on the sphere, and this happens. And when you turn on the symmetry now and change from X to Y and make the radial to about 9 or 10, that's the count of the flower blätter. I don't know the word in English. And don't validate it. You can go out of the symmetry menu and switch on the gizmo tool. That's a little bit tricky. And in the gizmo tool, you can go into the gizmo tool and move the origin. And you can make this here on the bottom to a solo view. And now the magic happens. We can use the arrows, the red and the blue arrow, to bring the balls outside. Bring it in a position like this. And we can use the scale function of the red axis, the red dot, and scale it like this. And we can use the blue function, the blue scaling ball, to bring it in a position like this. And we can position the objects. This is the top view. Now we change the view to the side view or front view, and we can bring the scaling of the green axis with a green ball to this. Now we got this form. I'm fine. It's fine. Okay, I validate this. We go to the top view. In the top view, we can use the selection mask. In the selection mask settings, we can set the circle and centered shape ellipse and use the ellipse function on the left side. Turn the symmetry off on the left side and pick the pencil in the middle of the flower and bring it out like this. Okay, this is our mask. And now switch to the gizmo tool. And now something happens. On the left side, there's now the symmetry again on. Turn the symmetry off. And there's a auto pivot. When we are looking in the top view, the pivot is not in the center. I don't know why. Let's try to move origin, make auto center, move origin, and sometimes I don't know, we can use the local function, auto. Okay. Why the pivot is not jumping to the exact middle position, reset, move origin. I don't know. We can set the pivot on our own, bring it in a position like this, and turn it, lock the pivot again. We can go to the front view, and now our mask is relatively sharp. We can go back to the selection mask, select the mask menu, and blur it a few times and test it. Go to the gizmo, and now you can bend the flower. Bring it in a position like this. You can go back to the selection mask and sharpen it again and blur it. For example, sharpen, blur, blur, and test it again. What happens? This was not so good. I go to the top view, I clear the mask, and I draw it again. I want the other result. I try this one. That's not enough. I try it again. Selection mask. Blur, 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 blur. And I test it. Okay, it's fine. I hold the mask button and swipe upwards, and now we can use a subdivision, for example. We can go to the scene menu and duplicate this, bring it a little bit up, go to the top view and rotate it a little bit. This is the second one. And you can bring a sphere inside, top view, and scale it a little bit down. In the front view, you can squeeze it a little bit, bring it a bit up. And I turn on the outline. And you can use a mesh like this. In the scene menu, you can duplicate it and scale it down. Bring it here. And you can adjust it a little bit. Bottom view, and you can rotate it a little bit. And you can paint it, for example, green, darker green. Turn the wire off and give it a little bit of color. That's a way to do flowers. It's also possible when you select this meshes and simple merge it. And now you can use the drag brush, bring it in a, and you can adjust the, that's not so a symmetry, like when you brush a little bit, and you can sculpt also. You can use a clay brush, bring some structures in this, and or you can use the move brush and use the symmetry to make a few adjustments to let it look, oops, like real life. I think it's a nice flower. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.